Welcome to lesson number 2 of 20 Minute Setswana. My name is Tian Heineke,
Leina la me ke Mpho Modupe.
and we are here to teach you some Tswana. So, Mpho, okay?
Ke teng wena o kae?
Ga ke tsoga, ke lapile.
Goreng.
No, I'm only joking. Ke tsogile sentle.
Le nna ke tsogile sentle.
Tsotle diapere tse amo. I've been practicing.
Oh yes, that's great.
So, are you ready to get into lesson number 2, Mpho?
E ya ra ke siame.
Let's do it.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
Okay, Mpho, we're still busy with basic greetings. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I've heard dumela is a form to say hello. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, also, I've been told that one can use dumela whether it's morning, afternoon, or at night. It's just like hello in English. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. But now, when you say goodbye to someone in Setswana, sort of wishing them a good evening or wishing them a good day, there are ways to say this. Okay, so let's just start with a simple way of saying goodbye. How would I say that?
Sala sentle.
Sala sentle. I've heard that before. What does the sala mean?
Stay.
Stay. All right.
Literal.
I've also heard, I think I've heard tsamaya sentle somewhere.
Tsamaya sentle, go well.
Oh, that means to go well.
Yes.
Okay. And does the tsamaya literally mean to go?
It means to walk. Tsamaya, yes.
Tsamaya. You say it so beautifully. Tsamaya sentle.
Yes.
All right. So
Go well.
I have two options. It's like goodbye or go well.
Yes.
So how would I say have a nice day?
Letsatsi le lentle.
Letsatsi le lentle.
Yes.
The letsatsi, what is that?
Letsatsi, it's a day.
Letsatsi is a day.
It's a day.
That's a noun that means a day.
Yes.
All right. And then lentle,
Beauty, nice.
nice, and maybe good.
Maybe good.
Okay.
Yes.
Another tle in there.
Nna le letsatsi le lentle.
Okay, you added something there. Explain to me.
Nna is to have. To have.
Oh, it's commanding. Have.
Yes,
You.
have.
Okay. I command you have. Na. Okay.
Le letsatsi le lentle.
It's beautiful. I'm commanding you, have a nice day. All right. In a nice way, not in a rude way. And good evening?
Bosigo bo bontle.
That's beautiful. Bosigo bobuntle. Okay, so the bosigo, what is that?
Bosigo, it's evening
Okay.
or night.
Or night. Okay. And the bontle?
It's good.
Another form of good.
Yes.
Okay, so we have sintle, and now we have bontle.
Okay. Bosigo starts with B.
Okay.
Bosigo bo. Bosigo bo bontle.
All right.
Muso o montle.
So does that mean the noun, which is day, afternoon, and night, affects the adjective? Is that correct?
That's correct.
Is there another way of saying good night, like a
Robadiwa.
robadiwang?
Yes.
Okay. The literal meaning of robadiwang? What?
Robadiwang comes from a word robala,
Okay.
meaning sleep.
So I just basically say sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, and that means good night.
You're commanding,
Okay.
but in a very good way. Robadiwang.
All right. So it's an imperative. It's a command form, but it's not rude.
Yes, it's not rude.
Okay. And if I were to say see you tomorrow,
Ke tla go bona ka moso.
ke tla go bona ka moso. Now I know ke is I.
Yes.
Okay. What is the tla?
Well,
Will. All
Will.
right. So we're busy here with the future tense. I will do something. Okay. And the go bona, what is that?
bona is to see.
Okay. I will. And then to see, the verb bona is to see. Soon.
Soon. Ka
So,
nakwana.
so the you, because I'm used to now from lesson 1, o is you, or wena means you, but you don't say it here.
You it's wena in Setswana, but then wena here is replaced by Go
Okay.
bona. Go bona.
Go bona.
Yes.
Now, the ke is I, the tla is the will, I will, to you see. Okay. And the ka moso or ka moso, what is that?
Moso means morning. Kamoso means tomorrow.
Awesome. And if I were then to be polite and say, pleased to meet you, how would I say that?
Ke itumelela go bona.
Okay, that's a lot of ke. Just say that again.
Ke itumelela go bona.
Ke itumelela go bona.
Yes.
Okay, obviously the ke is I. Itumelela, what is that?
Happy, pleased
The go bona?
to see you.
Okay, the go referring to you again.
Yes.
Bona from the verb to see.
Yes.
But you had two gos in there. Can you explain a bit?
The first go emphasize you, to you, see you.
If I were to drop one go, what would it mean?
I am pleased to see. Ke itumelela go bona.
So go bona literally means to see.
Yes.
Okay. In other words, when you say ke itumelela, I am happy
Yes.
to you see.
Literal.
Awesome.
Yes.
Is it also possible to say ke itumelela go bona wena?
Yes.
Okay. So I can replace that go with the wena at the end of the sentence.
Yes.
That would then literally be translated, I am happy to see
see
you.
you.
Okay, great. That means we have concluded the first part of lesson number 2.